Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark here with M2M Detail. In this video, guys, we're going to be installing paint protection film to the headlights. 2017 Audi A4, and we're going to be using SunTech Ultra PPF. So let's get straight into the video, guys. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. I really do appreciate it. And this is going to be a real quick video. We're just going to install them, hand cut them, and get back on the detail. All right, guys, let's do it. So first things first, guys, we already got them pretty much cleaned up, but we're going to get that top edge nice and clean. Get any dirt out that can come down into our PPF. So that looks good. Just give it a quick little spray. And like I said, guys, we're doing bulk roll, so just getting some of my scraps out of the way. Grab that. Go. And that's huge. Definitely didn't need that much. It's all good, no big deal. I think what I'm gonna do is pull it up so we're not fighting that bottom edge on that curve. There we go. So we're just install it like that, and then we'll cut the edges. So throw a little bit of solution on it. And for tack solution, guys, we are using hot wire today, like we always do. So pretty much we're gonna lock down this side real quick. Get this a little relaxed right there. Get some little tackiness right there. We're gonna grab our PPF Hornet, and just like that. So like that. There we go. Now let's do this final stretch over here. We got a little finger right there. Lift it back up, guys. Came back again, can't get it out. Go get that top edge. There we go, guys. So that looks really good. Pretty much done, guys. We're going to work on this top edge a little bit. So I'm going to cut that excess material real quick, guys, because we don't need all that material up there. There we go. Throw that to the side. Now we're just going to go in here. There we go, guys. So now that we got that top edge rolled around a little bit, we are going to cut it back, so it's not really has to be super tight up there, guys. We're going to cut it back about 1/4 of an inch. We do got a little finger right here we need to address. let's grab our knife real quick, pop it off, give it a little relief cut. There we go. Open this up a little bit. Get some hot water in there, guys. And then we'll grab our PPS Hornet and we will lock that down just like that. So there we go. Now let's do our final squeegee. Go on the black side. That way. Come down. Using very firm pressure, guys. We don't want no air left behind, no solution. We want the cleanest install as possible. All right, that looks good. Let's knock out the other headlight and then we'll come back and cut this one. So we'll go like that, get that top edge, sure it looks clean. Then we're just gonna do the whole headlight, guys. Very simple. There we go, looks good. Give it a quick little spray. Johnson baby shampoo, guys. We got our pre-cut right here. Whoa, not pre-cut. This is a bulk roll, my bad. So we'll get this open. Whoa. Uh-oh. Just like that. Okay. Lay that down, try to get that bottom edge pretty clean so we're not doing too much. That looks good, guys, so let's tack down this front area. Throw a little slip solution on the outside. Move up. That looks good. Just lock that down. There we go. Let's get under here. We want this to lay down right now, so do it like that. So this is all locked down, guys. Now we gotta work on a little stretch right here because the headlight's curving. So let's put some hot water on the film, relax it a little bit. That looks good. Oh, we gotta work this out real quick. There we go. There we go. And let's get in here. Just so we can tack down this corner real quick. That looks good. All right, guys, so now we just gotta worry about this top side now again. So just as we did the other side, I'm gonna cut back the material a little bit so we're not dealing with a bunch of excess material. So I'm gonna grab my blade and there we go. All right, so that's his side. Now let's work on this top edge real quick. Looks good. As you guys see, I'm starting pretty low and working my way up. That's just in case we missed any air right here, guys. You want to come in below it, push it back up, make sure you get all that air and solution out as possible. So you want to get all the air out for sure. A little bit of solution left over is not going to cause you any harm, but it still it doesn't look as a clean install once you're done. But if you get all that solution out while you're installing, guys, it's gonna look way better. It's gonna look really clean. and you're not gonna have to tell the customer that will dry out. So do a good job squeegeeing. So you can see how we're going back over our edges again. Okay, so that looks good. Let's get a towel, guys. Let's wipe these down real quick. That looks nice. That looks very good. So let's go back to the other side and let's cut it. When you guys are hand cutting, make sure you get a fresh blade. And let's get to the cut. Okay, throw that to the side. We're gonna grab our heat gun, guys, and we got our geek wrap squeegee right here, and we're just gonna lock down all these edges. All right, guys, so let's get this headlight cut. Make sure all the corners are locked down pretty good. Okay, see how this looks. Okay, let's grab our heat gun. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it, guys. Real quick, real simple. Just take your time cutting. If you haven't been using a blade for that often, cutting material, find how to cut it, find the depth you need, find the sound and the feel for the PPF so you're not cutting through onto the lens or onto the paint. Over time, you guys will get that. So alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the quick video. As always, Mark out.